Now, did there come a time on or about the 21st of March, Mr. LaRue, when you learned of additional requests for money from the defendants?
Yes.
And what were the circumstances of that?
This was a conversation. This was a phone call I had from Mr. Dean.
Can you fix the time?
To the best of my recollection, it was that morning.
What did Mr. Dean say to you?
Mr. Dean said he had a request for funds for Mr. Hunt. The amount was approximately $130,000. $60,000 of it was for living expenses, and $75,000 was for legal fees. I asked Mr. Dean if he thought I should pay the money. Mr. Dean informed me that he was no longer involved in money business. In fact, he was very apprehensive about this entire operation and withdrawing himself from anything having to do with being involved with money or the Watergate affair. I told Mr. Dean that I would not undertake any payment to anyone until I had authorization from someone.
Did you call Mr. Mitchell?
Yes, I did.
Can you place the time of day?
It would be the morning of March 21st.
Do you know whether you actually spoke with Mr. Mitchell on the morning of the 21st?
I know I placed the call. Whether I spoke to him when I placed the call or he called me later, I don't know.
Can you say with any certainty whether it was morning or afternoon when you spoke with Mr. Mitchell?
I cannot say with any degree of certainty. No.
Going to the March 21st meeting, you said your best recollection was that you called Mr. Mitchell in the morning.
Yes.
And you testified that you told him that they needed $75,000?
Yes.
And you fixed the figure of $75,000.
That is correct.
And I take it, according to your testimony, that he then asked you what it was for.
That is correct.
And what did you tell him?
I told him it was for legal fees.